In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize your mouse cursor in Windows 11. This is a great way to make your computer feel more personal and unique, and it's really easy to do. So, let's get started. This is my computer screen, and I am going to right-click on the Start menu. Then click on Settings. Once the Settings window is open, on the left in the search box type Mouse Cursor. Click on the mouse pointer style, and then it will take you to the mouse pointer and touch page. Now you can select mouse point style as per your choice. This is something amazing I saw when I select this mouse pointer. I get different color options, and I can even customize colors based on my choice. This is a very cool feature, and if you would like to change the mouse cursor color according to theme, I can also change the size of the mouse cursor by just dragging this slider to the right. If you are using Windows 11 on the tab, you can use the touch indication setting to make the circle darker and larger. There are more settings related to the mouse, but we will see them in some different videos. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Hit subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks, and enjoy!